Pop quiz. What four letters can change the way you look at yourself, others, your business, and your goals? DISC. The DISC method of personality analysis uses simple, straightforward factors to revolutionize your understanding of motivation, communication, habits, and so much more. And I want it to work for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Kenneth Robinson of Empowered to Lead Consulting Services. As a DISC consultant, certified by the world's foremost leadership organization, I can administer the DISC assessment to you and your team and walk you through the results. I also offer impact reports on collaboration, communication, and careers, and I want to leave you with practical applications that'll take your results in every area to the next level. Contact me today for a discovery call.